What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook. Hope you have a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. Bitcoin is on the move. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana is the three coins we're going to be talking about in this video. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly Bitcoin analysis, but we also post weekly crypto and altcoin analysis as well as stock analysis. And most importantly, we day trade over here. We live stream and live trade every day, London session 3 of EST on this very same channel. Over here, we teach you how to make money investing on the front end as well as the back end, meaning how to make passive and active income on these charts. Now, you already know I got to give a special shout out to the members and students. First off, drop the Sunday chart analysis in the free Signal free Telegram first, link in the description. Make sure to click and join. A lot of charts have been going as projected, man. But we went 6-0 last week, catching 3,244 pips, went absolutely crazy. Not only did we go 6-0 last week, but all these trades we broke down live during the London session lives. And y'all see how we did last year. We went 181 wins, 23 losses, the entire 12 months of 2024, giving us an 89% win rate trading wise, catching 326,550 pips. Went absolutely insane, y'all. So make sure to check that out. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over specific price points and my analysis of Bitcoin. So make sure to pay attention and take notes. So looking at Bitcoin, we have the retracements going on. Now, we've been talking about this potentially happening since December. Now, we did have some bullish momentum, but like we was talking about last week's analysis, we needed Bitcoin to not only break past the 100K, but hold 100,000 as support. And we can see here prices failed to do so. We go on a smaller time frame. We can even see there that price failed to do so. Here was the initial break. Retest, failed, tried again. As we can see, failed again. And then it tried last week, failed again. So if Bitcoin continues to retrace, it's going to be heading towards 88,000, 89,000. Okay, make sure to pay attention to that price point. If it can on this retest maintain and continue to hold as support, we can see price make his way up and attempt to hit 98,000, 100K again. Now, that's on the short term. If it tries to do a full retracement, it could try to go down to 78,000. If it doesn't hold that support, it could come to this major resistance level that we broke last time at 72K. Now, again, we were stuck here at 72K for, as you can see, 4 months, and then it rejected. And off that retest, as you can see, it pushed up. So again, you can see what happened here. Just follow the path. This level failed to be held as support, was treated as resistance, broke through. Then it came to this level, failed to break and hold that support, retraced. This level that was being failed, struggled to hold that support, got respected as support, then blew through it. So that's what we're about to see Bitcoin attempt right now. So pay attention to those price points. Again, the lowest I can see it going is 72,000. Now, if it breaks past 72,000, starts treating that as resistance, we can see a reversal come into play. But we'll talk about that when we get there, or if we get there. Now, that's what we can see happening. Those are the price points I had to pay attention to on this retracement. Now, again, on the way up, it needs to hold 100,000 as support in order for the uptrend to continue. If it can hold 100,000 as support, we can see 108, 110K get hit, and ultimately that 120K and possibly 150K towards the end or middle of this year. But definitely, if we can hold 100,000 support, we can and break 108,000, 120 is on the way. Now, looking at Ethereum, we have a similar reaction going on. So let's zoom out a little bit. With Ethereum, we can see here, similar thing, right? This blue line right here has failed to be held as support, reversed, came back up. Now it's being treated as resistance to even break like it did last time. Retested, and now again it rejected again, as we can see. So Ethereum is really struggling to not only touch 37,000, 84,000, but struggling to hold that level as support as well. And again, we see the same thing. When initially broke through, failed to hold, tried, rejected again. Then we see here, same thing, failed to hold that support, tried again, failed to hold that support. So it keeps on retracing, it's going to be heading back down to retest 3,000. Now, the fails to hold 3,000 as support is going to make its way back down. Let's go to a small time, a bigger time frame. It could try to make its way back down to retest 2,600. Now, if it can maintain and hold 3,000 as support, It's going to need to hold, like I said, 3,400 at support, and then it can make its way back up to 4,000. But it's got to break 38,000, hold that as support before it can hit 4,000. Again, we can see time and time again it's tried, and it's been struggling time and time again. And then that brings us into Solana. Now, Solana, it made a higher high, but again, I sound repetitive, but y'all see it yourselves. Like I always tell the members and students, you can read one chart, you read every chart. The charts don't come up with new tricks. They all follow the same rules. And that doesn't mean that if one chart's going up, they're all going to go up, or one chart's going down, they're all going to go down. That's not what it means. You still got to do individual analysis for each chart, each pair. But what I was saying is the rules apply to one chart, don't just work on just that chart. So when you be seeing videos about, here's my specific strategy for this pair or this stock or this, the strategy shouldn't just work on a certain stock. Now there are a few, of course, variables to that, but in the grand scheme of things, your strategy should work on everything that has candlesticks in a chart. You get what I'm saying? So you're looking at Sol. Again, it failed to hold 215, 220 as support. You can see the reversal. Came back up last year during April, failed again, retested, maintained holding 125 as support, but then again failed to hold this low as support. Now let's go into a smaller time frame and take a closer look. So we can see here off the initial break, it did retest and hold that support and did a nice push. Oh, that's my NAS alert. Let's take a look at that really quick. This thing's going crazy. So I broke this down in the Sunday chart analysis as well in the free signal free Telegram at a nice 1 to 2. Well, it's retraced, but it went as low as a nice 1 to 2 ratio setup. But let's get back to this. So again, on the initial push, it held that support, but off the retest and retracement, it failed. And then it tried again like earlier this month, and it failed again, right? So if it keeps on retracing, it's going to head towards 160. If it can hold 160 as support, it's going to reattempt to push up to 210. Now, if it fails to hold 160 as support, it could retrace back down to 125. So make sure to pay attention to those price points, y'all. Again, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal free Telegram, y'all. Again, you see how crazy we've been going. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, my signal service or my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Let's play Signal. We trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sales going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there and TikTok underscore playmaker way underscore. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.